Hello, in this video I'll show you how to knit a double-sided relief easy project with lots of texture. It consists of 4 loops and 1 row. We're getting started. The report is identical on both sides. Knit 2. Knit 2 together through the back, and slip 1 loop with a yarn over. Knit 2. Knit 2 together through the back, and slip 1 loop with a yarn over. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Knit the same way on the second side of the knitting. This knit is appropriate for summer clothes, throws and cardigans, but would also look beautiful in mohair yarn. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.